Hi, I'm Dr. Lynn. I'm a naturopathic doctor, a registered yoga therapist, a past ACE faculty instructor, and an ACE fitness instructor. Today's topic is how to create a yoga room. Now, if you're fortunate enough to have a whole room in your house that you can devote to yoga, that's great. Some of the things you might want to do if you do have that room is paint the room in a really nice color like a white with maybe a slight peach or pink tinge to it. That tends to make the room calm and feel like sort of warm and relaxing. You could also put a fan overhead, put some music in the room, and maybe even devote some space to put your incense and your candles. But most people aren't that lucky to have a whole room that they can devote to a yoga space. The good thing about yoga is all you need is just a little more than the size of your yoga mat. So here I am in my office. You can see I have my yoga mat spread out, and I have clear area on either side of me. You need to make sure there's not a lot of clutter in the area so that you can reach out a little bit. It should be warm and clean. Here in my office, I can tap right into my computer and put on some soft, soothing music while I do my yoga practice. I have some nice lighting in here, which makes it nice to be able to do the practice. And I can shut the door. You might want to consider putting a little sign on your door that says yoga session in practice. That'll give you plenty of privacy while you're devoting the time in your own small space to doing your yoga practice. So this is how a simple, easy way to build a yoga room in a limited amount of space. Thanks a lot. I'm Dr. Lynn.